Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
First, back up your personal files to external storage or cloud to prevent data loss. Use an external drive with at least 4 GB free or cloud storage of 4 GB. Sign in as an administrator on the device before starting the reset process. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I, then select System and Recovery. Decide whether to keep files or remove everything and choose Cloud Download option. Estimate 30 to 60 minutes for the reset. Time varies by hardware and file size. On the recovery page, click Reset this PC to begin the guided reset workflow. Choose Keep My Files to preserve personal data or remove everything to erase all. Select Cloud Download for the freshest installation or local reinstall for faster, offline reset. Confirm settings, review listed apps to reinstall, then click Next and reset to start. Keep the laptop plugged into power and connect to Wi-Fi during cloud download if used. Expect 1 to 2 restarts and wait up to 30 minutes depending. When the reset completes, sign in with your Microsoft account or a local account you created. Use your backup to copy documents, photos, and settings back to the user folders. Reinstall essential apps, starting with Browser, Productivity Suite, and Antivirus before banking. Run Windows Update to install the latest security patches and optional driver updates. Check Device Manager for any missing drivers and update them using vendor or Windows drivers. Enable BitLocker or a third-party full disk encryption and confirm Windows Hello for sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.